Hey there, students. I'm here with my daughter, Caroline, and I've got this Henry VIII mug, okay? And I'm trying to teach her about Henry VIII, and I just kind of wanted to get this reaction because it's kind of funny. Like, I started telling her about Henry VIII's wives, and she's like, she's got some interesting things to say. So I just told you who Henry VIII was, right?
Yes.
Who is he?
A king.
He was king of?
England.
He was king of England, and how many wives did he have?
6.
He had 6 wives, okay? Now, the first wife was Catherine of Aragon, and he divorced her. Second wife was Anne Boleyn. And
Beheaded.
Beheaded. Yeah. Is that funny? So, he beheaded her.
But why did he behead her?
I guess he didn't like her.
What? Then why did he marry her if he didn't like her?
That's a pretty good question. Then there was Jane Seymour. Jane Seymour died. Now, the thing is that Henry VIII wanted a boy. Now, I'm very, very lucky to have a little girl. But Catherine gave Henry a little girl, and Anne Boleyn gave Henry a little girl, and he wasn't happy about that because he thought that he needed a boy to become the king after him. Yeah. Now, he ended up being the father to Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth I, Anne Boleyn's daughter, was a very great king of very great queen of England. And so the thing is, Henry didn't realize that a woman could be a great queen, and it wasn't just a man's job. So a woman could do that too, and actually a woman could do a really great job of it. See?
Yes.
And so then Jane Seymour died while giving birth to Henry's son, Edward VI.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah, and Henry was actually very, very sad about that because he loved her very much. And then there was Anne of Cleves, and he divorced her.
Because they had a little girl?
No, they didn't have a little girl. They didn't have a little anything. Henry did not have any kind of children with her. There was never really an opportunity for them to have children because they got divorced very quickly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So, yeah, Henry just did not find her very pretty when he met her. And so he divorced. Yeah. And then there was Catherine Howard, and he beheaded her.
Why?
That she wasn't very good to him.
That's sort of like bad.
Sort of like bad, yeah. She behaved badly. And so he cut her head off. And then finally, there was Catherine Parr, who survived. So, there's a little jingle here with Henry VIII's wives. See, it goes on this mug. Divorced, beheaded, died.
Divorced, beheaded, survived.
Can you say it again? Oh, okay. Say it.
Divorced, beheaded, died. Divorced, beheaded, survived.
There you go.
It's a pattern, basically.
It's a pattern, basically. That's right. And that's why we've got this mug. And shout out to my friend Angie, who, I think I've learned about these mugs from her. And she's recommended a great Wonder Woman book to me. So, teaching my daughter about women's history and all of that good stuff. But, yeah, say it one more time.
Died,
No.
Divorced, beheaded, died. Divorced, beheaded, survived.
There you go. High five, Caroline. All right, everybody. Maybe I should do some more videos teaching Caroline stuff. Let me know in the comments how you think about these, and we'll see if we do some more. Caroline, you like learning some history?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Well, it's always a pleasure. You got a little thing you do?